So let's say meron tayong 1/2. Tapos yung slope natin is negative 4 feet. So ano yung magiging equation of the line? So ganito ginagawa. So pwedeng ganito yung format, slope intercept, point slope form. So bali magkakaroon ka ng y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Gawin mo lang tong x sub 1, y sub 1, then goods na yan. So y minus 2 equals yung slope negative 4 feet. Yung x sub 1 is 1, so minus 1, then distribute, then ayun na. So magkaroon ka ng y minus 2, tapos ito naman magiging negative 4 over 5x plus 4 over 5. Bakit? Kasi dinistribute, then negative divide times negative is magiging positive. Then lipat lang natin yung 2. So magkaroon ka ng y equals negative 4 fifth x plus 4 over 5 plus 2. So pag naglipat, magpapalit ng sign. Then combine mo itong similar terms, yung constant. So bali yung kakalabasan na ito guys is negative 4 fifth x. So ito pag inad natin to guys, magiging 10 over 5. Magiging 14 over 5. Tama yan. Or pwede mo to pag-isahin as y equals negative 4x plus 14 over 5. Kasi similar fraction naman sila. So to try natin, dapat yung magiging b natin guys is 14 over 5 ha. So ito yung given pa rin. So pag ginawa natin siya in a form ng y equals to mx plus b, balik kukunin lang naman natin yung b. So balik yung x to yung y. So magiging to, yung slope natin is negative 4 feet. Then yung x natin is 1 plus b. So magkaroon ka ng 2 equals negative 4 feet pa rin plus b. Then lipat mo lang 2 plus 4 feet plus b. Then magiging 5, then 10 plus 4 b, and 14 over 5 equals yung b. So babalik ka pa rin sa form ng y equals mx plus b, where m is equals to negative 4 feet ang x, then yung 14 over 5 natin. So bali pares pa rin. Either ways you can solve it, which process you want. Gets yun? Basic. Alam mag-solve guys. Paano pag ganito? If x-intercept is 1 and merong point na negative 2, 6, so paano may solve? Parang hirap.